Physical activity is super important, especially in these current times. It's hard for kids to find safe avenues to be physically active. So we feel with these PE kits, we're giving them some resources that they didn't normally have at home. PE kits consist of a large all-purpose ball, 3 tennis balls, a bean bag, some exercise bands, and some jump ropes.
With this equipment, our curriculum can be expanded to include many more units, including juggling, ball skills, balancing skills, and endless amounts of games that you can do with at-home items, but it's a lot more fun to use actual PE equipment.
Teachers are really trying to find ways to put activities into the hands of kids that they would be doing if they were in school. And some of those activities help not just in a PE classroom, but in every classroom across our school.